Hello everyone! In this video, I will demonstrate how to access and complete the Union College registration checklist found in your student portal. First, go to ucollege.edu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Portal. Log in with your UCID and password. You should have an email with this information. If you do not have it, or you forgot the information, you can contact the records office by email or phone with the information on the screen. Once you are logged in, you can see your portal dashboard. Select Registration Checklist here at the top. If you are on a stop list, you will need to contact the department listed before you can continue. Here is your registration checklist. Most of the steps can be completed online and at any time. Any step you need to complete will appear here on the list. Simply follow the instructions written to complete each step. You can click on the step to open it up to see more information. If you have any questions, you can contact the department listed. As you complete each item, they will either disappear or a green checkmark will appear. Some steps will not be available until a certain date to complete. Simply look and check the information to see when you can complete each step. This list needs to be completed by registration day, so don't wait until the last minute. Be sure to get started completing steps. There are two important steps to make sure you get done as soon as possible. The first step is registering for classes through SelfService. There are helpful tips listed here. Be sure to contact your academic advisor for any questions on your class schedule that can help you choose the right classes for you. There are also instructions listed here, and there will be a separate video covering this topic. The link is in the description. The second is financial aid. Be sure to contact Student Financial Services with any questions that you have. There will be a separate video covering this topic with all the information that you need. The link is in the description. When the checklist is completed, a large scroll icon just like this will appear on your screen. This means you are ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can contact enrollment by email or phone with the information on the screen. Have a great day and see you soon.